Okay, in this video I'm going to show you a couple different ways to get STL files for 3D printing. The first is probably the most common that we see here in the Idea Factory, and that's getting files from Thingiverse. Thingiverse is just a massive library of STL files and parts online. All you have to do is go through, search, and find your part. And this one I just did a headphone stand. And then you're going to download all files. It'll download in the corner. And once it opens up, you will go into the files and you're going to be looking for the STL or 3D object file. And then you can just open that up in Cura or your whatever slicer software you're using, and that's good to go. The other way that we have people get their STL files is from CAD programs like SolidWorks. In SolidWorks, to export your file, you're just going, as an STL, you're going to go to File, you'll go to Save As, and then you'll look for STL. Once you do that, you can go ahead and save that. I already did this before, that's why it's replacing it. Go ahead and click Yes. Once that's done, you're going to come into here, we can open it up, and there's our part file, and that's ready to print.